Sister, add your story Instagram template. Sister is currently a popular add yours on Instagram. In this video, I'll guide you on where to find and how to create your own Instagram story using these stickers. This Instagram trend is especially interesting for those who have a sister or multiple sisters. If you have a brother, I'll show you where to find the Brother Add Yours Instagram sticker. Let's dive in. Open the Instagram app. Go to the search feature. Type exactly as I will. This popular sticker is located in the story highlights under the name template. Swipe through the stories until you find the word sister. Here is the one we are looking for. I told you there is also a brother template, and it is right in front of this one. Choose the one you want and click on Add Yours. Take a photo with your sister or choose a picture from the gallery. I will choose a picture from the gallery. You can adjust the position and size of the image. Add any details you like. And that's it. Share the picture with others. If the Add Yours feature is not working for you, I will leave a link in the comments with a tutorial on how to solve that problem. Subscribe to the channel and become part of the digital family.